So this is what I got so far. Pretty happy with my roughed out edges. I need to do a little bit more dress up, but it's definitely in the ballpark. I don't have any contour hugging this panel up into here. I could shrink a little bit and get it to form that way. I haven't formed it this way yet. What I wanted to do was establish this hook, basically this edge, to where I could take it up to the piece and know that my lines that I make here for that bead is going to be situated in the right spot. And I thought it would be easier if I just went ahead and finished up this edge to where I basically lock it in and then make my mark for that bead. So that's going to be tomorrow. I'll probably do some practice beads, see if I can dial in that profile with what I've got, and then after I'm done with all that, I'll have to close it up. Got a little bit of a return there on the body line, and I don't know how far I'm going to take it down. Probably, I don't know, maybe midway, just like I did the other side. But yeah, the hammer form did me right, and I did some dressing up by hand. You got to stitch up that edge right there where it's got the missing material there. I had to do a relief cut, and seems like I'm always 50-50 on my relief cuts as far as where I put it, kind of like wrapping a present. But I'll dolly this up and tack that up. It'll be fine. Really small bead there, blurry. So getting there slowly.